Welcome to Geeks for Geeks. Today we are going to reverse the given queue. Our problem statement is, given a queue, we need to reverse the given queue. For example, if the input queue has elements in the order 3, 1, 8, 1, 4, 1, then output queue must have elements in the order 1, 4, 1, 8, 1, 3. Let's see its C++ implementation and understand it by taking an example. So, to solve this problem, we'll use two data structures, queue and stack. So, we have given a queue 3, 1, 8, 1, 4, 1. In code, in first while loop, what we are doing is dequeuing elements from queue and pushing them in the stack. So, we'll start dequeuing and we'll dequeue 3 and push 3 in the stack. Thus, the front pointer will move forward. We'll dequeue the elements till the queue becomes empty. So, now our queue becomes empty and rear is in the starting of the queue. So, we then pop elements from the stack and queue into the queue. For that, we move forward. So now, both rear and fronts point on the starting of the queue. We pop elements of the stack and enqueue it on rear as it is the property of the queue. The stack becomes empty and we got the desired output. The time complexity of the algorithm is O(n) since we traversed n elements twice. Hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, share the video among your friends. Also subscribe if you haven't already.